We got a call for a stuck bobcat up here in Georgia. This particular Kubota weighs about 12,000 pounds, and then the mulching attachment's an extra 2,500. And here's why we made the 2-hour drive to come help this guy, because not many people can get back here to get the machine out without charging an arm and a leg. So the machine is acting weird. When he's holding in reverse or backwards, only the one side is spinning. So I told him to let off it, let me put some pressure on it, ram it in reverse, let off it, then ram it in reverse to get this other track to spin a little bit to come up out of the hole. And it seems to be working pretty well right here. And she's out.